without a doubt, Kotoko one of the greatest clubs in Africa. Now, over Ghana and so Kotoko the most successful club but unfortunately, Asante Kotoko currently, our club na nipa Kotoko employ no. Asemu makanda, it is not even up to 100 currently. Photo that screen is we. Georgian club at the end of the season, I will be free Liverpool and Enra. Or then the silver wars trophies are watching in or the call stadium ho and a utwa picture with Liverpool staff nina from security to be our grass no one juma office administration enti Liverpool omo ye juma Liverpool that screen so obia excluding players nka ho it wo head number na say Liverpool employ but over Chroma a club like Asante Kotoko. Untimi nka say Kotoko workers cry up to 100. And then I'm telling you say oko different radio stations, TV stations, even radio stations are untimi nka say omo compare Kotoko no. They have numbers of staff rates, you know. Or more be 70, it be 100 people. A radio station, a TV station, but Kumasi Asante Kotoko cannot boost of that. Ubeka say, Baba Yara Stadium, Unya Kotoko, the Kotoko Nyani Stadium, Obenya more employees. Sano be baby, but still na see any stadium, and just say, yeah, human resource, never say what form, sir. I think say Kotoko human resource, I will say it's me BM. So let me chono. Kotoko nya more workers. You get it? Here, Liverpool workers in Kwano, assume